Hello everyone, I am James Cedric Dorado, the Health Community Cooperative President. Is a privilege for me to introduce our recently created logo, which is standard for development, compassion, and community support. In the center of this design, drugs and fruits symbolize life and vitality by showing the people of Navotas that they can help the elderly and sick. This logo shape highlights the importance of helping our cooperative members who are connected to one another and to nature, because it is held in both palms. This fruit symbolize our responsibility to look out to protect the health of our members. As Pete Health Grow Fruit, we as Health Community Cooperative are dedicated to promoting community well-being. The fruit yellow, red, violet, and orange also represent rebirth and growth, signifying our dedication creating a safe, peaceful environment for all. On the others, and medication stand for hope and health, as well as a goal of bringing fresh energy and positive to the lives of those we touch. Our members are here to promote and acknowledge our names, Health Community Cooperative and Barangay Tansadores, which give us our roots in the community. Our design, which was created in 2024, symbolize is kalusugan and the path to a happy elder community. Every element of our symbols demonstrate our dedication to taking care of our people, promoting a future harmony and happiness. We appreciate your participation in our group's journey. Explain the flywheel value of the CDA. The community of general is impacted by CDA flywheel, which goes beyond its members. Healthy atmosphere is promoted via their community-focused project, which include partnership with nearby organizations and service and health education programs. Everyone's health care codes, including CDA members, and reduce when community health improves the cooperative financial position and border strength by this codes reduction, enabling it to make ongoing investment in community involvement and member care. Discuss the significance of flywheel strategy. The flywheel strategy of CDA is significant since it emphasizes cooperative perpetual growth, because every act that they perform is similar supporting cooperative. Each one grows stronger and more efficient with the appropriate people, information, and action, and eventually, as mentioned before, they expand. We support more communities, all of contribute to our people grow and hope. Why do some people think that the flywheel strategy is absurd? It is important, in my opinion, to understand that the flywheel technique is a tool like any tool. It may apply successfully or unsuccessfully. The flywheel can be an effective framework for promoting corporate growth if used properly, and which a clear awareness of its limitation in a dynamic corporate climate is crucial to stay flexible and adaptable, and to avoid laying too much on the concept. Interpretation of phrase. Unfinishing business in context of cooperative. The cooperative settings and the people who use them, the term, determine how exactly unfinishing business should be interpreted. Understand the full meaning of this term requires taking into account the cooperative past, presence of difficulties and goals. I believe that when the residents of our barangay are aware of on this, was business keeps operating and expanding in our community.